Hello, this is Dr. Awitan. I'm going to explain to you my cars and cash promotion video. You might ask me, why another video about cars and cash promotion? Well, this is not to replace any of them. Instead, I am just like a traffic cop, pointing to you the direction where to go. So if you are in the market for a new car, or if you are a car salesman who experience a lot of frustrated people going out of your door because they could not afford a new car for reasons of lack of money or bad credit, this is the video for you. I will tell you a way how those people I mentioned above could eventually buy a brand new car from you. Take time to check this link below. If you have access to your computer right now, click this link. Now, let me tell you, all the links below that I will mention will be accessible below this video. Now, the link I want you to click is https://flp17.com/Dr. A. Or if you are away from your computer, just do that later. But you can listen to the information by dialing this phone number. The phone number is 206-402-0103 and enter the ID number 107-044-527 #. Let me repeat that. Telephone number 206-402-0103 and the ID number is 107-044-527 #. Now this is the conference call for more explanation of the Cars and Cash Club. This link is https://fccdl.in/capital L as in Larry, capital J as in Joseph, small e, small m, that is small e as in Edward, small m as in Mary, 32, capital X as in X-ray, small b as in boy, small n as in Nancy, small b as in boy. Now then, after evaluating this information, get back with the person who sent you this video and sign up properly under him. Or if you got this video from me, click this link below to get your free membership. And that link is https://flp17.com/Dr. A. Let me spell that. FLP17 is Frank Larry Paul 17.com/Dr. A. Is spelled small DOCTOR, then capital A. Now, remember, after signing up for free, get car qualified and share your link to all those people who visited you but could not afford to buy cars. And also share it to your successful customers who have bought cars from you. They will have a chance to pay off their car loans and will have the opportunity to buy new cars from you again. Call me at this number This is my cell phone. 1-386-585-0157. Let me repeat that. 1-386-585-0157. You can access these links that I mentioned above and the phone numbers at the video at the below this video. I would appreciate if you call me back to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much for listening. This is Dr. Awitan. I will talk to you later. Goodbye for now.